Naimbag kami, hep hep! Hooray! Everybody wants to be remarkable tonight. I may not be the most beautiful, the most sexy, neither the most intelligent candidate, but I know within myself that I am confidently beautiful with a heart, and that is firmly remarkable. Hailing all the way from the municipality of Bana, this is a student of the Data Center College of the Philippines of Lawan City Incorporated, taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. My name is Ada Stone, na nag-iiwan po sa inyo ng kasabihan, walang serserbi ang napudaw na rupa, kung ang kulay ng tingin at rupa ay hindi ang para. Hashtag Project Bonghorn. At bago ko po iwanan ng entabladong ito, nais ko pong mag-iwan ng paalala sa ating mga manonood at sa ating mga makurado. Balat ko man po'y itim, buhok ko man po'y kalbo, huwag na huwag po ninyong mamaliligin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpalak, minsan may kalbong negrang tumatatak. Maraming